Today we'll discuss line spacing, the space between two lines, paragraph spacing, the space between two paragraphs, and the text alignment in MS Word. I'm typing a command here to bring some text. Now, to highlight the text, place your cursor at the start of the line. Press the left mouse button of the mouse, hold it and drag it, or press Shift plus down arrow key to select the text. Now the shortcut command to select the whole text in a document is Ctrl plus A. Now click the line and spacing command in the paragraph group. Select the line spacing you want for the selected text of your document. Place the mouse over the number, see the preview and select the spacing you want for your document. If you want customized spacing, click on line and spacing option. A dialog box appears. Now, on the right side you see is the option for line spacing. By default, it is 1.08. I change it to 1.2 and click OK. See the increased line space. Now we change the paragraph spacing. Left side you see is the option for paragraph spacing. By default it is 8 point. Now I change it to 18 point. Now see the space increase between two paragraphs. So you can change it anytime you wish. Now let me explain the most important formatting option. Text alignment means the appearance of text in a whole paragraph or document that changes totally the look of the document. By default, the alignment is left. Next is the center. We use this mainly for the headings. This is now right alignment used to align numbers mostly. Now, this is the justify alignment is the perfect alignment for paragraph, documents and letters. Keep doing practice.
Shortcuts to save your time while formatting.